Welcome everyone to my channel. Today's video I'm gonna show you how to install automobile atmosphere lamp, colorful atmosphere lights. So I already installed it pretty much. So on BMW 2009 750i or similar models, you can use these ports over here. One I used for the dash cam, the other one I want to use for the lights. Okay, so here we have, it's nice to have something like this. Okay, rugs, if you have any. If you don't, you can order them on eBay as well. So here's the thing, this stuff, it comes with a remote. Okay, you can change colors, turn it on. I'm gonna demonstrate that for you. But here's the thing, I pulled one wire over here and installed this one over here, okay, on the bottom of the seat. And then I pulled another wire here with the light. Okay, you just peel off the there's like a plastic, and you just peel it off and you stick it right on the bottom. So I installed it to the hard stuff, okay, not this or that. I don't know, this is leather, so I don't know, but this hard stuff, okay, right on the bottom of it. So let me show you the driver's side. For the driver's side, I pulled it right here, okay, the wire all the way over here. Just a second. And I installed it right here, okay. As you can see, this wire goes for the driver's side, goes like that, and then up. And for the passenger side, front passenger side, I put it in here. Oh, this is it. Okay, I'm gonna bring it back a little. This is the controller, okay? So you need a remote for this one, okay? And here you can turn it on or off, but my vehicle is off right now, so it's saving battery. So here's the last one that I need to install. So like I showed you, this is the sticky stuff that's on it. Okay, you just peel it off and install it here, and it should be good. Sometimes it's hard to get it, but okay, there we go, I got it. Just pull it off. Okay guys, if this does not stick onto something, this is probably because it has some oily stuff on it, and you can use like a brake cleaner that removes the all the greasy stuff, something like that, okay, and then it will stick. Okay, so as you can see, those lights are on everywhere. Okay, in the back. Okay, Okay, so here's the remote. Okay, and there's this stuff to prevent the battery from dying. You just pull it out and we can turn it off or on. Then we can use brightness, adjust brightness, as you can see. That's all. Or you can dim it. Okay. Let's change colors. Red, green. Gotta bring it closer to this whatever electronics with the receiver. Let's do blue. It looks very nice. Very nice. White. Okay. Yellow. Orange. Some other blue, I don't know. Purple. Very nice. It also has like something like this, you know, that's gonna change colors. Jump 3, jump 7, fades. Fade 7. Then some music, I don't know what kind of music or something. So guys, that's how you install the interior, I don't know, colorful atmosphere lights. Let me know what you think. I shared my experience, and also be careful when you're you need to leave some space for the wire, because the seat will be moving, so you do not rip the wires. So just have some in spare and make sure they don't go like underneath where the rail is, because it's gonna cut it. Okay, so guys, if this video was helpful, like the video and also subscribe to my channel, guys. Check this out, looking good.